Organizations have emissions of greenhouse gases.
Climate change is now happening.
Indonesia says it's
10 million tons of.
The Philippines tops a list of countries most susceptible to hazards caused by climate change.
Ito ang dahilan ng pagkakaroon ng mga bagyong gaya ng Super Typhoon Yolanda at Bagyong Ondoy.
Climate change means the weather is changing fast. We see stronger storms, hotter days, and higher floods. This is real, and it's happening now.
Rising temperatures have unleashed catastrophic storms, wildfires, and flooding.
And per se, if the world gets hotter by 1.5 degree more, millions of families could lose their homes and food.
Some say my small action don't matter, but that's not true. If millions of people waste energy and throw plastic, it destroys our planet. If small action causes problem, then small action can also solve it.
We can help by saving electricity, by planting the trees and recycling. And using clean energy, this step makes a big difference.
Imagine cleaner air, safer homes, and healthier families. This can happen, but only if we act now. Do you want a safe tomorrow or a broken planet? Some people say it's the government's job. Yes, leaders must act, but waiting for them is not enough. Change also starts with us, ordinary people.
Our voices and choice matter. Together, we can fight the climate change and protect the next generation.
Act now! Protect our planet